In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add references in Microsoft Word. Mastering this process is essential for students, professionals, or anyone working on detailed documents requiring citations and bibliographies. Adding references correctly not only enhances the credibility of your document, but also ensures that you're giving proper credit to the sources of information and data you rely on. Today, we're going to break down the process into clear, straightforward steps. First, open the document where you want to include your references. Once your document is open, direct your attention towards the top of the Word interface. Here you will see several tabs like Home, Insert, Design, and more. What you'll need to do next is locate and click on the References tab. This tab is your gateway to managing citations, bibliographies, and footnotes correctly and efficiently. Once you're in the References tab, look slightly to the right in the ribbon that appears below. Here you will notice an option called Citations and Bibliography. It's an important aspect of the References tab where you'll manage all your references. Click on Citations and Bibliography to activate and open more options that Word provides for reference management. The next step is to focus on actually adding your citation. In the Citations and Bibliography section, look for a button labeled Add New Source. Clicking this button is a crucial step as it allows you to input the necessary details about the source you're referencing. Once you click Add New Source, a dialog box will pop up. This dialog box is where you'll fill in the information about your source, such as the author's name, title of the source, year of publication, and other relevant details. Carefully enter all the details for your source in the dialog box. It's crucial to ensure accuracy in this step because these details will directly appear in your reference list or bibliography as you specified. Be thorough in filling out all available fields to maintain the integrity and completeness of your citation. Now that you have entered all necessary details, finalize by clicking OK. The source will now be listed in your current document citations, and you can see it automatically formatted according to the style you selected. You can change styles by selecting from the drop-down menu labeled Style, found within the Citations and Bibliography group after adding sources if needed. Microsoft Word offers options like APA, MLA, Chicago, and more, allowing seamless adjustment to meet the requirements of different disciplines or publisher guidelines. With everything set up, your references are now correctly included in your document, ready to be compiled into a bibliography at the end of your document if needed. Maintaining an organized and accurate reference list is vital for any document that leans on external sources, ensuring your work is professional, accountable, and easy for others to follow. And that's all for today's rundown on how to add references in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tutorials.